So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you an airdrop from a very renowned exchange, and this exchange is giving 10 USDT as an airdrop. All you have to do is watch the video completely till the end and follow the steps, and you will be eligible for the airdrop, that is the airdrop of 10 USDT. The steps are going to be very simple and very clear. This video is going to be very short and simple so that you can get this airdrop in an easy way. So before starting today's video, if you are new into my channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Our channel is getting closer towards 1 million subscribers. Just tap on that subscribe button, and now let's get started to today's video. So this airdrop campaign is from the Mexc exchange. So as you guys all know, the Mexc exchange. So similarly, there is one more airdrop. So you can see over here, it says as earn 10 USDT airdrop with Fiat and P2P. So what do you have to just do? You just have to do one simple task. I'll let you know what is that task. But before that, I will be telling you what are the steps. So I'll be explaining you steps in a short form. All you have to do is first of all register now. The link is given in the description of the video. You can find the link in the description. Just tap on that link and register. Then you have to deposit. Then you have to make a small trade, and then you have to earn the airdrop, which will be automatically given to you. But before proceeding with this video, let me just tell you, I'm not your financial advisor. Make sure you consult your own financial advisor. This video is only made for educational purposes only, and whatever you deposit into Mexc exchange or any cryptocurrency exchange, it is your own responsibility, and you have to consult your own financial advisor. This video is just from my information and is just my opinion only. And most importantly guys, before coming deeper into the steps how exactly you can do it, let me just tell you, first and foremost, I'll be telling you why is Mexc focusing on this airdrop. They are promoting fiat gateway and P2P. So why do you need to focus on their P2P? It's very simple. All you have to do is that their P2P is having flexible payment option, which means you can buy the tokens from credit card, debit card, bank transfer, Apple Pay or Google Pay, and more importantly, you can get it from the P2P trading as well. And also let me just tell you, they have top and trending tokens available in their fiat gateway and P2P, not just USDT or USDC. They also have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, USDC as well in their top trending token in their particular gateway of fiat and P2P. The third reason why they are focusing is that they have low fees, and it is having a great and better rates than other apps, and also they are having a local accesses to the local currency support. And not to forget, they are also mentioning that it is secure and reliable, and they're also mentioning that they are having 24/7 protection and 99.9% of anti-fraud success rate. So now let's understand what are the easiest steps over here. The steps are very simple. Once you go into the link in the description, you can see this particular section over here, deposit and trade. If you just tap on this check details button, you will be shown somewhat like this. All you have to do is deposit button over here. So once you deposit, all you have to do is deposit 100 USDT or slightly higher than that. That is the first step. So once you deposit that 100 USDT, then all you have to do is that you have to make a trade. So the trading volume you have to do is just 1 USDT. All you have to do is that you have to make a single trade of a small amount of your deposit, and you will be eligible. Both the steps will be completed, and instantly you will be given the rewards. And most importantly guys, do check out their terms and condition. Always whenever you're participating in airdrop, always do check out the terms and conditions, because there will be some conditions which you might be not aware of, and that's why you need to check out their terms and conditions always. So this was the Mexc airdrop related to the P2P and fiat gateway, and they're giving 10 USDT airdrop per account which is eligible. And make sure you watch the video completely till then without skipping, because if you skip the video, you might be not eligible and you might skip any part, due to which you will be ineligible. So I think that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section how much airdrop or how many accounts did you get the 10 USDT airdrop, and also I'll be waiting from your comment, which is your favorite exchange. Is it Mexc or is it something else? Let me know in the comment section. So that's it for today's video guys. Like and share this video as much as possible, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.